Some breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV News Report. Veteran broadcaster Dervan Makcolm has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The RGR Communication Group is mourning the passing of longtime serving broadcaster Dervan Makcolm, who passed away following a period of illness. Makcolm began his broadcasting career on October 24, 1993, while he was a student and head boy at Calabar High School. His entry into broadcasting follows his success in performing arts, including his participation in the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission Festival and Performing Arts. During his career, he served in several capacities, including news presenter and editor, sportscaster, talk show host, and executive producer of programs. In March 2007, he became the producer and host of the Current Affairs program, Both Sides of the Story, on Power 106 FM. The program became a platform via which Makcolm sought to educate and empower and enlighten listeners while encouraging entrepreneurship. He was also recognized for his work in road safety, child protection, and issues affecting Jamaicans in the diaspora. He received many accolades throughout his illustrious career for his work, one of which came from the New York-based Union of Jamaica Alumni Association, the Diaspora Ambassador and Media Award. He also received the Bickle Award from Team Jamaica Bickle for his dedication to issues affecting Jamaicans in the diaspora. He was also recognized as well by the City of Los Angeles and the Jamaica Awareness Association of California. Makcolm also hosted the Jamaican Diaspora Live Online, which featured live broadcasts from communities across the Jamaican diaspora. Dervan Makcolm spent 31 years with Power 106, which later became part of the RGR Gleaning Group, and leaves behind a distinguished legacy of broadcasting and public service. We here at Links 007 TV would like to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.